Okay, let's deal with more problems on coefficient. More problems on coefficient. More problems on coefficient. More problems. This time, these problems will include numbers that are raised to powers. Look at this example. Three x raised to power 2 plus 4x minus 7x raised to power 3. You have to find the coefficient of A, x, B, x raised to power 2, C, x raised to power 3. You're asked to write the coefficient of each of this algebraic number. What they gave to us was 3x raised to power 2 plus 4x minus 7x raised to power 3. I've already mentioned to you how to read numbers that have this type of powers. This is 3x raised to power 2 plus 4x minus 7x raised to power 3. All you are doing is just to write the coefficients alone. You're not solving any problem, so don't be scared. What is the coefficient of x? Now look, we have different x in this problem. We have one x that is raised to power 2. We have one x that has no power on it. We have another x that is raised to power 3. You can see it. Good. Now, what they want you to do is to write out the coefficient alone. You are not solving any problem. You cannot solve this problem now at your age, at your class. But since I am teaching you coefficients, I want you to understand, to have a good idea about coefficients, so you can write out the coefficients alone for me. So this x, look at it here. So I will write the coefficient is 4. X raised to power 2. Look at x raised to power 2. I'll write the coefficient 3. That's my answer. Then x raised to power 3. Look at it here. The answer is minus 7. These are the answers they want you to get. Your answers are 4, 3, and minus 7. Your answers are 4, 3, and minus 7. You can see how simple it is. Now look at another example. Minus 6y raised to power 4 plus 2y raised to power 3 minus 10y raised to power 2 plus 4y. Write the coefficients. Write the coefficients of 1, y, 2, y raised to power 2, 3, y raised to power 3, 4, y raised to power 4. Write out the coefficients alone. Write out the coefficients of these numbers. Look, this is y. Look at your algebraic expression. This type of number is called algebraic expression. How do you call it? Algebraic expression. Again, algebraic expression. Again, algebraic expression. Good. Look at your algebraic expression. An expression has more numbers added together or joined together by addition or subtraction. An algebraic expression has more algebraic numbers joined together by addition or subtraction. So that is why we have them so many. Look at the algebraic term, algebraic term, algebraic term, algebraic term. In your next class, I will show you that to understand that better also. But now we are still dealing with coefficients. Now in this algebraic expression, look at the part where you have only y. This is y raised to power 4, y raised to power 3, y raised to power 2, and only y standing. Now, what is the coefficient of y alone? Is 4. So write your answer here, 4. Go to the one that has power 2. Look at it here. The coefficient is minus 10. The one that has power 3, look at it. The coefficient is plus 2. And the one that has power 4, look at it. The coefficient is minus 6. So our answers are 4 minus 10 plus 2 minus 6. Our answers are 4 minus 10 plus 2 minus 6. These are the answers that we have. So it's as simple as that. Whenever you're asked to find coefficient, be careful to know the letter you will ask to look for its coefficient. If you're asked to look for the coefficient of y raised to power 2, go to where you have y raised to power 2 and write out that number that is attached to y raised to power 2. If you're asked to find the coefficient of x raised to power 7, go to where you have x raised to power 7 in your algebraic expression and write out the number that is attached to that x raised to power 7. That number is what is called coefficient. That number is called coefficient. So coefficient, I said, is a number that is attached to a letter by times. You are going to do this for me. Write the coefficient of x, x squared, and x raised to power 3 in the following algebraic expressions. You have number 1, 7 minus 7x minus 4x squared plus 3x raised to power 3. So you have x, put your answer for me. X squared, put your answer for me. X raised to power 3, put your answer for me. Number 2 is 2x plus 4x squared minus 13x raised to power 3. So your x, put your answer. Your x squared, put your answer. Your x raised to power 3, put your answer. So put your answers for each of the number. Put your answer for x. Put the coefficient of x. Put that of x raised to power 2. Put that of x raised to power 3. Put that of x in the second number. Put that of x raised to power 2. And put that of x raised to power 3. If you're done, just forward your answers to me. Carefully replay your video and ensure you get the best out from this video. We shall be dealing with other problems in our next class. Thank you.